Hi everyone, this is Vandana Sharma. I welcome you all in this learning series of basic electronic circuits and interfacing with Arduino. Today we will learn about glowing an LED using a 9-volt battery. So without wasting time, let's begin. So first of all, we will be knowing about the components we'll be using. We'll use one breadboard. We'll use one 9-volt battery. We will use one LED. We have to use one resistor. We'll be using one jumper wire. So that's all. So before starting, I would like to give you a brief detail about this breadboard. We can see that there are vertical and horizontal holes in this breadboard. So the lines on top, red line and blue line, these are marked as positive and negative. So it's clear that we have to use VCC along the positive line. So the holes near the red line, we have to use VCC there. And on the negative side, means the holes which are nearer to this blue line, we have to give ground. Okay. And these are the vertical columns. It means they are interconnected. Vertically, these holes are interconnected. We can use any any of the hole to give some terminal, supplies, or it will be on the same potential. So we'll get to know more when we'll start working on it. And then we have this battery, 9-volt battery. It comes with a connector. Already it is connected. You can see. Okay. It has two wires, black and red. Black represents the ground and red represents the VCC. Then we have this LED. This LED is having two legs. One is larger and one is the shorter. So the larger one is the positive side. The shorter one is the negative side. We'll be using one resistor. So this is 1 kilo ohm resistor. Precisely we are using 1 kilo ohm resistor. We'll get to know how to just use this in the connection, and then how we can use only 1 kilo ohm resistor. Then we have this jumper wire as well. So to do connections, like to take connection from one point to other point, we can use this jumper wire. So let's begin. First of all, I will be using this LED. So as we know, the larger terminal or the longer side is the positive, and the shorter terminal of this LED is the negative one. So I will be using it like this. I can use any terminal, and from that particular column, vertical column, I can actually give another connection to make it positive or negative. So here, as per this particular connection, this side is negative and this one is positive. So on the positive side, I will be using this resistor. So I can take a connection from this hole and I can actually give it to the positive side of the breadboard. So I can take it like directly, or else I can use a jumper wire as well. So like this, I can give a connection. Okay, we can clearly see this is the arrangement. Then I will be using this jumper wire to give the negative. So again, this column can be connected to the negative side of the breadboard here, like this. Now I will be giving it the power supply. So this red will go to the red terminal and this black will go to the black terminal, ground basically. So first of all, I have to make it like turn. I have to smoothen the end of these wires so that I can actually fix them properly. So as soon as I connected this power supply with the breadboard, we saw that this LED started glowing. So it is a continuous power supply because there is no automation. We have directly attached it with the breadboard's positive and negative. The battery is attached. So It means regularly this LED will keep on glowing. So this is the arrangement when we talk about the 1 kilo ohm resistor, usage of 1 kilo ohm resistor specifically, because if we'll be using less value resistor, it will not help us to limit the current through this LED, because this battery is of 9 volt. 9 volt battery is actually giving lot of current spike or maybe high rush of current. So we have to limit it because LED's requirement is less. So to limit that, we are using a resistor, and 1 kilo ohm resistor is the one which is actually giving us the specified values, which helps an LED to glow without getting damaged or without getting destroyed. Okay, so that spike of current will not damage this LED if we are using 1 kilo ohm resistor. So as per the color coding, we decide the value of the resistor. So this is the circuit arrangement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. We'll come up with the next basic electronic circuit. Thank you.